Hello, I'm doing a reaction to my group's discussion. I noticed that we all picked John Locke, and we all recognized that he saw us as a blank slate, and like how reductive this is, and really like how, yes, that's true. We do learn through the senses, but it's pretty limited and doesn't take into account like all the other things that we learn, all the other ways that we're able to learn through like modeling and stuff. My I admit I had a hard time like coming from John Locke's experience because um, it's so limited in like what our brain is capable of doing. But I know at the time we weren't able to really recognize some of those things. So he was really the first. So that's what like I try to like recognize. But my other classmates were really great at like understanding the consequences of having such a thought, which I kind of struggled with. Like one of my classmates, she made a lot of really great connections. Like, well, what about a teenager and like that developing brain? Like, if we only learn through the senses, how do we really explain teenagers and like young children like with the terrible twos and stuff? How did we really explain? Did we really teach them to throw fits and stuff? So I thought that was great. And then another connection I thought that was really awesome is just being able to draw like connections between things that we've learned. So like if you draw a conclusion over here and draw a conclusion over here, well, with Locke's like theory, then we only know these two things independently. We don't make connections between those two, which is obviously the way that we have made everything for ourselves. We've made cars, we've farmed, by drawing those connections. So even though Locke was really revolutionary for the time, it definitely is not complete. So that's the biggest thing, and I really appreciate my classmates like recognizing the consequences of like only having that thought, or if we were to only learn that way, what it would really look like. So